Hey people, so there is a show called Selling Sunset that is set in. It's all about selling the real estate in Hollywood, and it's a reality TV, and uh, this is the third season that has come out yesterday, and what a show it is! Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I really like this reality TV kind of program simply since they give you an insight into how the human mind works. And this top that I'm wearing, I got it from Amazon. Yesterday, I made this whole video thanking Amazon that even if there's a slight goof up in the delivery, Amazon takes full responsibility. And this sweet little lady, in particular, Miss Ruby Singh, she kind of stepped in and helped me with it. So really people, so selling sunset is also all about this. I feel that human element to any kind of transaction, makes all the difference. Really, yeah, watching Netflix is so like enlightening. But really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.